How to add today's news widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold, then tap on the edit button. After that, tap on add widget, and then we scroll down and tap on news. Now swipe across until you see it say today. This is the today's news widget. You have a small size widget, medium size, and a large size. So here, select a widget size, then tap on add widget, and the widget will get added to your home screen. Now while on your home screen, you can also drag on the handle to resize the widget to make it smaller, medium size, or a larger size. And then tap on done. And that's it. Now I will touch and hold on that widget to view the options. So in here, I have the option to make it smaller, or I have the options to make it larger. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.